Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're counting down the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. Whether you're a hobbyist, a professional, or just getting started with 3D printing, this list has something for everyone. We'll go through each printer, talk about their speed, features, build volume, and even the pros and cons so you know exactly which one is right for your projects. Stick around till the end because I'll also share which printer gives the best value overall. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Creality K1 Max 3D Printer. The Creality K1 Max is all about speed and precision. With its dual cooling fans and AI-assisted features, even long prints come out clean with minimal warping. If you're printing large models like drones, cosplay props, or home decor items, this printer handles it effortlessly. Another highlight is the out-of-the-box setup. You don't need hours of calibration before starting your first print. And with the massive build volume, you can print large, complex models in one go, which is a huge time saver. Max speed, 600 mm per second. Dual cooling system for precise printing. Smart AI function for easy setup. Auto leveling, out-of-the-box ready. Large build volume, 300 by 300 by 300 millimeters. Pros, huge print volume, ultra-fast printing speeds, smart AI-assisted setup. If you plan to print big models frequently, the K1 Max is worth the investment. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5X 3D Printer, Multicolor IFS. The FLASHFORGE AD5X is a multicolor printing powerhouse. If you want models with more vibrant details, this printer lets you switch colors during the print without hassle. It's perfect for miniatures, educational models, or artistic projects where precision and color matter. The fully auto-leveling feature ensures that prints come out smooth every time, and the high-temp nozzle expands your material choices. Max speed, 600 mm per second. Multicolor printing with IFS system. Fully auto leveling. Max 300 degrees Celsius nozzle. Build volume, 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters. Pros, supports multicolor printing, high-speed printing, auto leveling for ease of use. Start with simple models to master multicolor printing before moving on to complex designs. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5X CoreXY Edition. This version of the AD5X features CoreXY architecture, which improves printing precision and speed, especially for complex geometries. The direct drive extruder is great for flexible filaments like TPU or multi-material setups. If you're a professional or semi-pro user who prints daily, this printer saves time while giving high-quality results. Max speed, 600 mm per second. CoreXY mechanical structure. One-click auto leveling. 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder. Build volume, 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters. Pros, CoreXY structure improves accuracy. Fast and efficient. One-click auto leveling. Ideal for small but detailed projects where precision is key. Number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. The Adventurer 5M Pro focuses on convenience and reliability. The quick detachable nozzle is a lifesaver for cleaning or swapping filament, and the one-click auto printing system lets you start prints almost immediately. It's also sturdy thanks to its all-metal CoreXY frame, which reduces vibration for sharper prints. This printer is perfect for those who want fast, efficient, and hassle-free printing. Max speed, 600 mm per second. One-click auto printing. Quick detachable 280 degrees Celsius nozzle. CoreXY all-metal structure. Build volume, 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters. Pros, extremely user-friendly, high-speed printing, reliable CoreXY frame, great for educators or hobbyists who want a smooth, fast experience. Number 5. Creality K2 SE 3D printer. The Creality K2 SE is a compact but versatile printer, ideal for desktop setups. It supports multicolor printing and has vibration control, which means smoother layers and better surface finish. While its speed is slightly lower than the others on this list, it makes up for it in stability and versatility. It's a solid choice for hobbyists and small-scale projects. Max speed, 500 mm per second. Multicolor printing support, CFS system, auto leveling and vibration control, build volume 220 by 215 by 245 millimeters. Pros: supports multicolor printing, vibration control ensures quality, compact desktop-friendly design. Perfect for beginners who want a high-quality printer without taking up too much space. All right, that wraps up our top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. If you want speed and large volume, go for the Creality K1 Max. For multicolor precision, the FLASHFORGE AD5X is ideal. If you want a compact, reliable desktop printer, the Creality K2 SE is perfect. All of these printers are amazing, so it really depends on your needs and budget. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and top picks. Also, comment below which 3D printer you'd love to try. Thanks for watching, and happy printing!